Hi, welcome to Kaurpaints. Today we are going to paint a silhouette painting representing birds. Details about materials are visible on your screen. As you can see, my color palette is now ready. Let's roll the intro. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of art videos first. As usual, I'm starting with the background, then we'll come to the birds. Silhouette painting is the type of painting in which background is too bright, or we can say that it's a scene of sunrise or sunset where the main subject is just shown by representing a shadow. So for birds, we are going to draw just their shadow, and we are going to draw sky and the scene of sunset. As you can see, my painting is now ready. I hope you like this one drawing. If you like, please press the like button and don't forget to share this one video with your friends, and please subscribe this channel to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.